Happy New Year from the Smart Wood Shop. It's a little late, the day's almost over, but this is January 1st, 2019. You folks have been so wonderful in watching my videos and commenting and giving me feedback over this past year. I just felt like I needed to just extend a warm-hearted thank you and hopefully even a better, more interesting year at the Smart Wood Shop and hopefully some great videos. I took a scan back over what has happened in 2018 in the Smart Wood Shop here on YouTube, and I was just amazed that there's 106 new videos in 2018. Boy, is it fun! And again, I love your comments and the response I get. It just tells me that I'm at least reaching out and helping a certain group, and that's really what it's all about. I do projects and to talk about tools and the Smart Wood Shop and the workbenches and all that, but really, my motivation is to teach efficiency, because I really feel like if you can be more efficient, you'll do a better job, you'll enjoy your job better, you'll be healthier, and you'll make more money. So that's really everything that I do, the tools, the benches, it's just about being more efficient. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do in videos. The number one video that everybody wants, and I see this in the views and the comments, is tools. You want to hear me talk about tools. So I'll continue to do that. I do hear a lot about, oh, we'd love to see you on a project. Those are a little tougher. One is usually I'm in somebody's house and I got to get permission, and I just want to be really careful about that. The other thing is that I'm there to produce the work for them, and also in a timely manner, efficient manner. And unfortunately, recording video is times 10, and so it really slows the job down. But it does happen. Sometimes I'm able to do my own projects at my own pace, and I record those. The other thing that I thought I would do this past year, and it just didn't come to pass, and I'm hoping it happens this year, is that I'm looking to purchase a house that needs some work, and a lot of work. I want to get something in a really nice neighborhood that is just pretty much almost a tear down, and then resurrect it. And when that happens, I'm planning on, it'll be my own project. I'll be my own bank, and Chris and I will design it, and we'll do all the work. Of course, we'll bring in some help here and there, but we'll take our time when that happens, and we'll videotape it, and hopefully be able to create a project-based video that will take you from identifying the house, negotiating, and designing it in SketchUp, and showing you the renderings and the whole process, picking colors and countertops and all the stuff that we do before we demo the first wall or pull out the first cabinet. And then actually doing it, doing all the demo and reframing and add-ons and moving walls and rewiring and replumbing and heating and all of those things that go in behind the scenes that we then cover up after we get it insulated, and then start on the fun stuff, the painting and the cabinetry and the finish and all of that. So I hope it happens this year. The thing that I don't have control over is that the market has been so strong in housing that the return, what people have been asking for their homes have been, when I run the numbers on it, where I look at what they want for it, what I would need to do, and what it could sell for, less sales fees and taxes, and there's just been no margin. I basically would be doing it and not even making labor on it. So the market is changing, though. We've hit our high point in the whole country, but particularly here, and so houses have already hit their peak, and they've gone over the peak, and they're sliding down the other side. And so I'm keeping my powder dry. I'm ready to buy. So if something pops up, I'll grab it and I'll let you know, and then we'll take you along for the ride. So hopefully that'll happen this year, and maybe that'll be the main thing. I still have a couple of videos that I need to do from last year to finish out last year. I've got to finish up the Paulk Total Station 2. That was my biggest project this year. It's been a real labor of love, a lot of time involved. I still got a lot of time to go, but I'm getting close. And so I'm pretty excited about that. I still need to do my tool of the year for 2018. I know exactly what tool it is. You see, you know, if you watch my videos and some videos that are coming, you're going to see me using this tool quite a bit. And it is definitely my tool of the year. No holes barred, no tool came close. So I want to tell you what it is, but you'll see that video as well. I've got some other new tools that are left in the boxes, and I want to get up and running, and I've just sort of pushed them aside. I've been excited about using them, but pushed them aside because I needed to finish up the total station. So I've got a few of those to do, and then I've got all the build videos for the Paulk Total Station 2. I've got all of that documented. Just lots and lots of videos, different camera angles. I got to put all those together so that I can follow up the plans with the entire build series. So that's kind of left over from last year, but there'll be new videos from this year. So we'll see if I can keep up the pace of 2 a week. I got a lot of travel plans as well. Maybe I can meet some of you folks out there with your cabinet shops or your projects. If I come to your area, maybe we can hook up and grab a little video and say hi, and maybe I can see your workbench. So again, a pretty exciting year. I got almost 19,000 new subscribers, and I want to thank you for that. Actually, that's not true. I got 24,097 new subscribers. That means new eyeballs that found me this year, and hi to all of you. I got 18,607 net. That just means I lost about 5,490. That happens. People see it, they like a little bit, then they move on. I don't worry about that. I'm just excited about that 24,097. That is, pretty close to a third of my subscribers were brand new this year. That's pretty exciting. So I'm feeling confident that we're going to go over 100,000 this year. The videos are going to be better and better and better. I've gotten better gear. I'm learning better techniques, and I'll continue to improve. Happy New Year. Let's look forward to a great 2019. Thanks for taking the time to watch. See you the rest of the year.